Here are some interesting facts about pelicans. Fact number 1, pelicans have a large throat pouch to scoop up fish in water. They drain the water before swallowing their catch. Fact number 2, some pelicans dive from the air to catch fish, while others fish cooperatively. Fact number 3, with wingspans up to 10 feet, pelicans glide effortlessly over water. Fact number 4, pelicans are social birds living in colonies with thousands of others. Fact number 5, found on every continent except Antarctica, they thrive near coastlines. Fact number 6, air sacs cushion their dive impact with water. Fact number 7, despite their size, their hollow bones make them lightweight. Fact number 8, during breeding, pelicans form monogamous pairs and build nests.